Peace and power, and welcome back to KTsAlchmy. I'm Nina, Katie's granddaughter, and today we are discussing the double top that we went over in a previous video. The double top, Adam and Eve, is a bearish reversal, and this pattern occurs within the context of a strong or context of a longer uptrend. The pattern forms two equal highs, with one high forming a V-shaped top and with a single day's candle touching the high and the other forming a wider, more rounded top. Now this is a day chart, so you can see here, hold on, let me get some more, maybe, boom, boom, right here, right there. And then let's put another one. Okay. Okay. That candle is a day's candle that hit that high. And so you see where it says the pattern occurs within the context of a longer uptrend. The pattern forms two equal highs, with one high forming a V-shaped top with a single day's candle touching the high and the other forming a wider, more rounded top. So you can see this one is rounded and this one is V-shaped, upside down V. All right. Volume tends to drift downward during the formation and expand on the breakout. We can see here where it hit here and then it went up a little bit and came down here. This was the breakout where it broke out of that price range and came on down. Let me see what else. And it looks like another pattern is forming next, but right here it says breakout confirmation to close below the lower trend line. So right here is where it broke out. Well, right here. Let's go up here. Let's use this, because this is the trend line here. We could say here. Boom. So when it broke out here, it went lower. Okay, and it says you want to measure the distance between the lows and the two highs, and then subtract it from the breakout level. And that's how you would come up with how far down it was going to go. I just want to get on here and share this with you all because I did see it. Peace and power, and I'm out of here.